Looks like they're going to make another one above it. I lost my holding picture that I wanted to hold. Anyway, you can still see the sky. Miss Lovey's about to walk into view. Alright, it's the same sky from 5 minutes ago. Looks like they're going to build a little small one here. It's going to be nothing but a mosquito pond. It's a little mushy. There's the pond I wanted to find. It's fenced in. Probably says no trespassing or something. It's a beautiful little pond. It's got some bird houses. It's got an old dock. I saw this on Google. I had to check it out. Let me get a little closer. This is off. Oh, I just missed the kingfisher sounding off. Maybe it'll do it again. So as far as I can tell, it doesn't say, don't say anything, love, you have to cut the whole thing. It doesn't say no trespassing. I'm sure these locals fish it on the other side. It's fenced off in the back here. See if we can go around. Shh. Oh, wow, that's pretty interesting. Don't say anything, lovey. They're trying to keep all this waterway from mushing down and eroding. See if we can get in. Ouch! Oh, stickers. Let's see if we can get around here. It is soggy. Totally soggy ground here. I mean, I'm sinking. The ground is like a sponge. Check it out. Looks like we can get around here. They don't call the sky police. Check it out. Alright, I made it to the destination. Look at this. It doesn't say no fishing. But I wouldn't be surprised if I was fishing, they'd stop me. Shallow. Hold up. Yeah. Wow. It's probably an old campsite. Because this borderline's a soccer field and a camp. There's a few all combined. Well, there's probably fish here. I'll check it out in the spring when it warms up. I'm sure these people over here fish it. Alright. People have been trying to see how thick the ice is there. Alright, we gotta head back. There's the sky. And the sound of a kingfisher. Let's get that kingfisher. I hear the kingfisher. A lot of bird life here. Alright, gotta go. Beautiful place. I gotta get back.